Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we bring you some exciting news from the world of artificial intelligence. OpenAI, in partnership with Microsoft, has just announced some significant updates and expansions in their collaboration. This partnership is all about advancing AI technologies and applications, and it's a game changer for the industry. Microsoft has really stepped up its game by significantly enhancing its investment to support OpenAI's groundbreaking work. This includes a focus on AI supercomputing and research, with Microsoft aiming to bring sophisticated AI capabilities to more developers and enterprises. One of OpenAI's latest developments is GPT-4 Turbo, a model that promises to offer faster response times and impressive efficiency features like prompt length extension and structured sound formatting. This model is set to be available on Azure OpenAI service by the end of the year. Alongside GPT-4 Turbo, DALL-E 3 and Whisper 3 will also be released as part of Azure services. But that's not all. Microsoft also has its sights set on transforming industries like healthcare and banking using AI. In healthcare settings, AI is being used to significantly reduce patient wait times and administrative tasks. In banking, it's being used to enhance content generation, data analysis, and customer service. Overall, this deepened partnership between OpenAI and Microsoft not only enhances their own product offerings, but also aims to broaden the impact of AI across different sectors, making advanced AI more accessible for a wider range of applications. So there you have it. A quick update on the latest developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned for more updates as this exciting journey continues. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to like this video if you found it informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.